Let's review how to form the past subjunctive. To form the past subjunctive, we begin by looking at the target verb's indicative preterite ustedes or ellos, ellas form. This is the third person plural. We use that form, the third person plural, drop the ending on, and get a new stem. Good news, all verbs, AR, ER, and IR, use the same endings. And here they are. Yo, a, tú, has, usted, él, ella, ha, nosotros, hamos. And you're going to see that with the nosotros form, we're going to have to add an accent to the syllable that is the third from the last. Ustedes, ellos, and ellas, the extension is on. So let's show you what I mean. For the infinitive hablar, I go to the preterite ustedes form, which is hablaron. I take off the on, and to form the past subjunctive yo form, I'm going to add an a, hablara. Do the same thing for comer, comieron, drop the on, add a, comiera. Vivir, vivieron, drop the on, add a, viviera. Now notice, here's the complete verb chart for hablar, and as I noted, with nosotros, you have to add the accent on the third to the last syllable. Here's comiera, same thing on the nosotros form, and here's viviera. These three are regular verbs, but the good news is, as long as you know the preterite form, you can easily create the past subjunctive. Let's look at tener. The preterite ustedes form is tuvieron. Drop the on, add a to get the subjunctive yo, tuviera. Venir, vinieron. Drop the on, add a, viniera. Traer, do you remember what its preterite form is? Trajeron, drop the on, add a, trajera. Poner, give you a second to remember the preterite ustedes form. Pusieron, drop the on, add a, pusiera for yo. Estar, do you remember the third person preterite? Estuvieron becomes estuviera. And here's the complete chart. And you notice it's a very simple format once you remember the preterite form. And again, note on the nosotros form, you have accents on the third to the last syllable. Let's do a few more. Ir and ser. Do you remember what the preterite form is? Fueron becomes fuera for the past subjunctive yo. Hacer, the ustedes preterite form, hicieron becomes hiciera. Oír, the preterite ustedes form, we're going to need to add a y. Oyeron becomes oyera for the past subjunctive yo. Salir, salieron becomes saliera. Volver becomes volviera. And here's the complete chart for all of them. And I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I strongly encourage you to write many verb charts because memorization is the key.